Hello and welcome. In this video we'll be showing you how to add devices to your home in the BleBox app. The first step is to scan your list of available Wi-Fi networks. When you locate your device, connect to its Wi-Fi. Now return to the BleBox app, and select Add Device to Account. Tap on the button that says, Go to Wi-Fi Settings. Now, select your home's Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your password, and tap on Connect. Finally, disconnect from your device's Wi-Fi network, and reconnect to your home Wi-Fi. Return to the app and select Show to view your device. There you go, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful, and we look forward to creating more videos like this in the future.